everyone, it's Eric with All Pro Trailer Superstore. Today we're taking a look at the 7x14 Homesteader Intrepid model, and this comes with the OHV package. So with the OHV package, you're going to get the two-tone exterior, the diamond plate skirting, diamond plate fenders, and 12 inches of additional height. This unit comes with 12 inches of additional height, making this perfect for golf carts, side-by-sides, UTVs. 3/4 inch plywood floor, 3/8 plywood walls. Also comes standard with 4 recessed tie downs to tie down your machine. And the V-nose up front is additional to the 14 foot of length. For a full listing and more information on this Homesteader 7x14 Intrepid, please visit our website, trailersuperstore.com. Thanks for watching.